Hey, how's it going? Not too bad, thanks. How about you? I'm doing pretty well, thanks. Have you been busy lately? Yeah, I've been pretty busy with work and stuff. What kind of work do you do? I'm a software engineer. That sounds interesting. What kind of software do you work on? I work on a variety of projects, but right now I'm focused on developing a mobile app. That sounds cool. What kind of app is it? It's a fitness app that helps people track their workouts and set goals. Oh, I could definitely use something like that. Yeah, it's been a fun project to work on. So, what have you been up to lately? Not too much, just hanging out with friends and family. That sounds nice. Do you have any exciting plans coming up? Yeah, I'm actually going on a trip next month. Oh, where are you going? I'm going to Japan. Wow, that's amazing. Have you been there before? No, it's my first time, so I'm really excited. You'll have to tell me all about it when you get back. Definitely. So, what about you? Any travel plans coming up? Not at the moment, but I'm hoping to take a trip later this year. That would be great. Where are you thinking of going? I'm not sure yet, but I'm considering Europe. Europe would be amazing. There's so much to see and do there. Yeah, I've always wanted to visit Italy and France. Those are both beautiful countries. You'll have a great time. Thanks, I hope so. So, what do you like to do for fun? I enjoy hiking and camping. That sounds like a lot of fun. Yeah, I love being outdoors and exploring new places. Have you been on any cool hikes recently? Yeah, I did a hike up to a mountain peak last weekend. That sounds challenging. How long did it take you? It was about a 5-hour hike round trip. That's impressive. I don't think I could do that. You never know, it's all about building up your endurance. Yeah, maybe I'll have to give it a try sometime. Definitely. So, have you seen any good movies or TV shows lately? Yeah, I just watched a really good documentary on Netflix. Oh, what was it about? It was about the history of hip-hop music. That sounds interesting. I'll have to check it out. Yeah, it was really informative and entertaining. Do you like listening to hip-hop music? Yeah, I enjoy it. I like a lot of different types of music, actually. Same here. What are some of your favorite bands or artists? I really like Radiohead, Arcade Fire, and Kendrick Lamar. Those are all great choices. I'm a big fan of Kendrick Lamar too. Yeah, he's an amazing rapper and songwriter. Definitely. So, what do you like to do in your free time? I like to read and write. Read a variety of genres, but my favorites are sci-fi and fantasy. That's cool. Do you have any favorite authors in those genres? Yeah, I really like Ursula K. Le Guin and Neil Gaiman. I've heard of Neil Gaiman, but I haven't read anything by Ursula K. Le Guin yet. You should definitely check her out. She's a fantastic writer. I will. So, what do you like to write about? I like to write fiction and poetry. That's great. Have you ever had anything published? Not yet, but I'm working on it. That's awesome. I wish you the best of luck with that. Thanks, I appreciate it. So, do you have any hobbies or interests? Yeah, I like to play guitar and sing. That's really cool. What kind of music do you like to play and sing? I like to play a variety of genres, but my favorite is folk music. Folk music is great. Do you have any favorite folk singers or bands? Yeah, I really like Bob Dylan, Joni Mitchell, and Simon and Garfunkel. Those are all classics. Do you write your own songs as well? Yeah, I do. It's something I've been working on for a while. That's awesome. I'd love to hear some of your music sometime. Maybe I'll play something for you next time we hang out. That would be great. So, what do you do for work? I'm a teacher. Oh, what grade do you teach? I teach high school English. That's really cool. What do you like most about teaching? I love being able to help my students develop their reading and writing skills. That's a really important skill to have. I'm sure your students appreciate it. I hope so. It's always rewarding to see them improve and succeed. I'm sure it is. So, what do you think about the weather today? It's pretty nice out. I'm enjoying the sunshine. Me too. It's been rainy and gloomy for the past few days, so this is a nice change. Yeah, I'm hoping it stays like this for a while. Agreed. So, do you have any plans for the weekend? Not yet, but I'm thinking of going to a concert on Saturday night. That sounds like fun. Who are you going to see? I'm going to see a local band that I really like. That's awesome. It's always great to support local musicians. Yeah, they're really talented. So, what do you like to do for exercise? I like to go for runs and do yoga. That's great. I've been meaning to get into yoga myself. You should definitely give it a try. It's great for both the body and the mind. Yeah, I've heard it can be really relaxing and help with stress. It definitely can. So, do you have any favorite yoga poses? I really like downward dog and warrior too. How about you? I like tree pose and pigeon pose. They're both great for stretching and balance. That's awesome. I'll have to try those out. So, do you have any pets? Yes, I have a dog named Max. He's a golden retriever. Ah, that's adorable. I love dogs. What's Max like? He's really friendly and loves to play fetch. He's also really loyal and always by my side. That's so sweet. I have a cat myself, but I love dogs too. Cats are great too. What's your cat's name? Her name is Luna. She's a calico and can be a bit sassy at times. That's funny. Cats definitely have their own personalities. They sure do. So, have you traveled anywhere recently? Not recently, but I did go on a trip to Europe a few years ago. That's really cool. Where did you go? I went to France, Italy, and Spain. It was amazing. That sounds incredible. What was your favorite part of the trip? I loved seeing all the historic landmarks and trying all the different foods. The architecture was also really impressive. That sounds like a dream trip. I hope I can travel there someday too. I'm sure you will. So, have you seen any good movies or TV shows lately? Yes, I recently watched the movie Parasite and thought it was really well done. I've heard a lot of good things about that movie. I'll have to check it out. You should definitely give it a watch. So, what about you? Have you seen any good movies or TV shows lately? I've been watching Stranger Things on Netflix and really enjoying it. That's a great show. I've seen a few episodes myself. Yeah, the storyline is really interesting and I love the 80s vibe. Same here. It's definitely got a unique feel to it. So, do you have any favorite foods? I love pizza and sushi. They're both delicious. Those are both great choices. What kind of pizza and sushi do you like? For pizza, I love pepperoni and mushroom. For sushi, I enjoy salmon and avocado rolls. That all sounds so good. I'm getting hungry just thinking about it. Me too. So, do you have any siblings? Yes, I have a younger brother. He's in college right now. That's cool. What's he studying? He's studying engineering. That's impressive. Engineering can be a challenging field. Yeah, he's definitely smart and hardworking. So, do you have any plans for the summer? Not yet, but I'm hoping to go on a camping trip at some point. That sounds like fun. Do you have any particular spots in mind? I'm thinking of going to a national park, maybe Yosemite or Yellowstone. Those are both great choices. I've been to Yellowstone before and it's amazing. I'm really looking forward to it. So, what do you like to do for fun besides writing and playing guitar? I enjoy hiking and going to concerts. I also like to read and watch movies. Those are all great ways to have fun. What's your favorite movie of all time? That's a tough one. I'd have to say The Shawshank Redemption. How about you? My favorite movie is The Godfather. It's a classic. Oh yeah, that's a great one too. Have you read the book? No, I haven't. Is it worth reading? Definitely. It's a really well-written book and gives more depth to the story. I'll have to check it out. So, what kind of music do you like to listen to? I like all kinds of music, but my favorites are rock and indie. Same here. What's your favorite band? That's a tough one. I really like Radiohead and the Beatles. Both great choices. I'm a big fan of Led Zeppelin and Pink Floyd myself. Oh, those are classics. So, do you have any hobbies besides playing guitar? Yes, I enjoy painting and drawing. I find it relaxing and it's a nice change of pace from writing and music. That's really cool. What kind of paintings do you like to do? I like to do landscapes and abstracts. I also enjoy portraits, but they can be challenging. I can imagine. I've always been impressed by people who can paint portraits well. So, what's your favorite book? My favorite book is The Catcher in the Rye by J.D. Salinger. How about you? I really like To Kill a Mockingbird by Harper Lee. It's a powerful book. That's a great choice. It's a classic for a reason. So, do you have any favorite quotes?